All right, beauties, here is an overview of what we are starting with. Hello, popcorn. So I don't know, I have an idea of what I want to do. I just feel like I have way too much shit, especially on the shelves, because I love you guys and I love my friends and family so much, so I try to really display everything everybody gives me, and it's too much. So I'm going to be kind of storing most of what's kind of decor pieces, if you will, and then I'm going to switch things out like every few months, instead of having it look like a cluster F. So we're going to be moving some stuff around. Those are my like for sale little containers, so I need to put all my for sale stuff in those and get those put up. And then I don't think I like this. Again, there's just too much. So I'm going to be probably moving those over to where the vanity is. And as you can see, the vanity looks like, it's a mess. Okay, we'll just be honest. And then this cute little thing right here too, I think I just need to kind of judge that. So I'm going to set my phone up here and we're going to do some speed cleaning, speed rearranging. We're going to clean, sanitize, all that stuff. And then everything that I've been filming with using recently, it's all still out, so I need to put it all up. And then I have been actually saving for the last few months. I have a massive jeans haul try on coming up very soon, so be on the lookout for that as well. So again, quick overview. And I am going to jam out to some music and we are going to record this entire process. Alright beauties, here is where we are at right now. I have a picture to hang there, I think. And I don't know if I'm okay with this being super blank like this, but I also want room for my carpet and stuff. So it may change slightly. I need to make sure that this is completely centered up so that what you guys see behind me looks good. And I think I like everything so far. I really like the mirror right there. What do y'all think? And I held up this little Versace box. Do you guys think it's cute as decor or nah? Sound off down below. I'm gonna finish up and then I will be back to show you guys the reveal in 3, 2, all right, beauties. I'm freaking out, y'all. I love it so much. It looks amazing. Not too much of a change. I basically just moved this from there and then those from there. And then basically I just decluttered. I put a bunch of stuff in my little storage thing in my closet, and I will just kind of switch these items out maybe seasonally, every couple months. And I swapped out the one picture for this picture right here. And if you don't know, I've told this story before, but my son has always loved giraffes, and it's also kind of reminiscent of the iconic Marilyn Monroe picture with the little bubblegum pop, so I love it. And I wanted to have it in here, and of course pink is my favorite color, pink and yellow. And then I wanted Jack and Sally, of course, front and center, because they were not being able to be seen, y'all. And then right here I have all my stuff from my Grandma Kay that my stepdad gave to me after she passed. I have my candle from Kate. I love Kate so much. And then the little frogs that a friend of mine gave me. Just a bunch of cute little stuff. And I'm obsessed, you guys. I love it so much. That hasn't changed. And I know I said earlier in the video I thought that looks kind of bare. I don't think it does now, and you'll see what I mean kind of when I pan out, just because of the way that the vanity is set up. And then I moved this down here. I have another little Jack. My mom got me that for Valentine's Day. She also got me that for Valentine's Day, and then I kept a couple of those like they were. And then my little mini pouch I keep out all the time. And a picture of my niece from this year from school. And then I have a crystal. I have all of my fragrances and stuff up here. Hey! And I don't know if you guys still want to see a perfume collection. I don't feel like I have enough to do a collection. Y'all let me know. But that's an overview of my perfumes. I did put this mirror right here. I think it looks cool, and I think during the day, it's nighttime now. This took me like 2 hours. I think that that looks really pretty, and it will look really beautiful during the day, so we shall see. I have a couple more perfumes here, and then I have some candles, some crystals, my brushes, and then I keep all of my makeup in these 2 dressers here. I kind of have like complexion, and then like blush, bronzer, highlighter, and then that is all palettes. And then the vanity kind of sits pretty much centered of the room, so then that's why I'm saying I don't feel like that's naked looking. Maybe I need a bigger picture. Y'all let me know. I think it looks really good. I did, of course, clean my vanity as well. It was a hot mess, so now it's all clean. And this is where I film at, and I typically will put my phone on the front little tripod if I'm doing like actual makeup applications so I can get up close for you guys. And if I'm doing unboxings or something, I'll put my phone on the actual like ring light. So yeah, you guys let me know what you think. I love it so much. I think it looks so good. I was really nervous that I wasn't gonna like it. Like, I do this all the time to myself and I switch things around and then I end up being like, oh, I don't think I like that. But yeah, I'm obsessed. I really love it. All right, beauties, so that is it. Thank y'all so much for joining me. What do you think of my space? Sound off below. Thank you for joining me. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.